So today we're gonna make a skirt. I have been wanting to make like a big, gathered, funky, asymmetrical skirt for like 2 years now, and I have not got around to doing that. I just feel like I haven't been like excited to sew things lately, and I really just want to make something that I have fun doing. I just want to have fun. So today's Friday. I have today, tomorrow, Sunday to kind of just play around, have fun. I don't got any plans except for Bella's runway show tomorrow night. It's her senior showcase. She's graduating college already. Who remembers when she started working for me like 3.5 years ago? Crazy, time flies. But yeah, if I finish this skirt before tomorrow night, maybe I can wear it. Okay, let me show you guys like the vibe I'm going for. These like big, puffy, fun cotton skirts. I love this like wrap skirt, but I think I want like a little bit more volume. Okay, like this skirt from Alexander McQueen, like so cool. I love the asymmetry. I love like the crisp hand, and I love the gathers. So this is the vibe. Let me show you what I've sketched. Here is the sketch. Yeah, honestly, I have a lot of fabric, a lot of cotton fabric to go through, but I have like 8 yards of white cotton fabric. So like I definitely have enough to create a gathered skirt, because I'll probably end up using the whole thing, honestly. Those little black bows you see right now, those are like optional. I know everyone's like, don't put bows on everything, Kiana. Guys, I need to put bows on everything. I'm sorry. And we can always clip them off at the end. Hooray. Upon further reflection, I actually might like the blue and white pinstripe. The issue with this is that it's a lot thinner and more drapey than the white cotton I have, which is in the dryer right now steaming. I'll take you there in a second. So the skirts would look completely different. Like this would have less volume, and I definitely need to do a lining. The other one would have more volume, like way more volume, because it's crisp, really crisp. It's not a heavyweight fabric, but it's a heavier weight than this. So what do you think? Look, see? You can barely see the pinstripe also, but I don't know if I'm making a huge mistake if I do the white or the pinstripe. You know what? Let's go get the white out of the dryer. Don't mind my messy garage, I don't want to hear it. Hello? Ooh. Wait guys, I fear I might like how drapey the pinstripe looks. We'll drape the other side in white and then make a decision. And before you get excited and say, oh my gosh, the white and the pinstripe look cute together, they kind of do. However, we can't mix and match like that, like a half and half, because the white is way heavier than the blue pinstripe. So that would not work. All right, which one do you like, Hotch? Which one, King? Oh, yes. Okay, blink once for white and stick your tongue out for blue. You're not blinking or sticking out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue, I want blue. Stick out your tongue. Oh, he wants blue. Oh my gosh, King, if you say so. I don't know if I have enough fabric to really do what I want to do. I only have 5 yards, so this could be a mistake, but I'm willing to take the risk. Okay, I'm taking a little break. I just got my Nuuly order in today, and it's literally just sitting here on the floor. Look. No, this is not sponsored. I paid my own money for this. I figure I'm gonna put them away. And because you guys like fashion, I think I might as well just like briefly show you what I got. Starting with this dress. Check it out. Okay, let's go hang up the other ones. Welcome to my closet. This is my weeb corner. This is where I like to put clothes that like either I want to wear soon or where I keep my rental clothes. I gotta show you guys this stuff. First of all, look at this dress. Wait, I already showed you. My bad. First of all, look at this dress. Sparkle. Oh my gosh. I don't know how this would work for someone who is like 5 feet tall, because this goes like down to my ankle. I'm 5'9" for reference. This is from Free People. I love polka dots. Also, this color looks great on me. Girl, this is my color palette. Hello, again, I'm a tall girl. She goes down basically to the floor. This almost say Merry Christmas. I fear this is a Christmas dress. Did everyone in the Nuuly reviews wear this for like their Christmas cards? Yes. But like, could it not be styled in a Vivienne Westwood-esque way? Like, do you see the vision? I don't. honestly. I guess maybe I'll just take Christmas cards early this year. Then I got this dress, so pretty. I love this type of neckline. It's not straight across, it's not scoop. And then lastly, I got this from the brand Lioness. I've been wanting to purchase this and I haven't because it's like $100 dress. So now I didn't have to buy it. We rented. Because honestly, how often am I gonna wear something like this anyways? Newly organized. Again, not sponsored. I've paid my own money for this and I really like it. Update, I have resketched the design or redesigned the sketch. I don't know. Here she is. Let me move this shirt. This is the shirt I plan on wearing with it. Oh my gosh. She's exposed. So she has gathered hips and then the hemline is asymmetrical with this little ruffle at the end. Very cute. And also, if I didn't have wide fabric like I'm using, I could use like a regular cotton because now I'm taking away some of the length and I'm adding on to the length with the ruffles. So this would be so doable probably with like regular 44-inch cotton fabric. Happy Friday night. Look, I cut everything out. Oh wait, that's not everything. Hold on. What is all of this? All these rectangles? Check it out. It's the tiers for the skirt, or the second tier for the skirt. Okay, here's part of it. It's 8 yards, basically. I might trim that down, but it's probably not too far off. I don't know if I already mentioned that I changed the design from the original sketch to go for this fabric. Choosing the right fabric and choosing the right design for your fabric is like the most important step. And you know, if you kind of mess that part up, you're not gonna have a good time with the rest of your project. So I listened to what I wanted to do and I'm doing it. I am going to sew the side seams of this first. I think if you saw in the last clip, I am rewatching Attack on Titan. Actually, I've rewatched it like 2 times. I've seen it 3 times, but what's crazy is I've never finished it. So when the finale episodes came out, I never watched the finale episodes, so don't give me any spoilers, okay? Please. Yeah, so I'm rewatching Attack on Titan because if I went to watch the finale episodes now, girl, I don't remember anything. I think without having the season finale knowledge, still one of the best animes of all time. And I can't imagine how good it is after seeing the season finale. So I have high hopes, high hopes. I am always though looking for new animes to watch. So if anyone has any recommendations, let me know. Honestly, it's gonna have to be kind of niche. If it's mainstream, girl, I've watched it already. So give me something underground. Dig deep. What is your favorite anime that never gets any hype? Hooray! It's starting to look good. Okay, this is where I am tonight. Obviously, I'm wearing some shorts underneath. Okay, don't get into a hissy fit. This is obviously very see-through. We're gonna need a full lining. But look, girl, she's looking good. I need to take in the zipper an inch because she's an inch too big, so I gotta redo the zipper. Do I feel like redoing it tonight? No. So I think I'm gonna go to sleep tonight, call it a day, redo the zipper tomorrow, and then I can go into sewing the tier, which is I feel like where the magic happens because look, this I made the exact length of the difference of these 2 lengths, so it's like the spiral will continue. I don't know if I'm making sense, but like everything matches up because I'm a genius. Good morning. It's actually not the morning, it is 4 p.m. at night. Afternoon? Late afternoon. As you can see, I'm looking fancy. I'm in all Vivienne Westwood right now. Vivienne, a dress, Vivienne jewelry. Oh, where are we going? We're going to Bella's fashion show. It is in 2 hours. We're gonna leave in 1 hour to be safe. And I just filmed to get ready with me for like Instagram and TikTok. And I was like between this Vivienne Westwood dress and this dress that I made. Real ones remember this. Just kidding, it was literally last year. And everyone said to wear this dress. And so what am I wearing? This dress. Just kidding. I actually was gonna wear this dress, but then Bella texted me and told me that the front row people were told to wear like non-distracting colors so that when the students get their design pictures back, the people in the background aren't like bright and distracting, whatever. So I do have to kind of wear this. So we're going with black. Let me get the accessories. My McQueen accessories. Shoes. hello, hello, hello. Somebody, wait, I got the best compliment of my life today. I posted that get ready with me and someone commented that they thought this dress was an Alexander McQueen at first. Are you kidding me? That's my favorite compliment I've ever gotten. Anyways, here's the look. I'm sure you're interested in Bella's fashion show, so why don't I take you along with me? Hello! Clearly it is the next day. As you can tell by my outfit, I just came home from Pilates, which is why I'm dressed like this, but oh my gosh, was that show not amazing? I love student showcases because I always leave feeling so inspired. I get like a little bit jealous of students because they get to do such creative and exciting work. Whereas like I'm running a business, so I have to make like Bentley, stop. Whereas like I'm running a business for patterns, so I have to do like wearable items. So like attending a student show like that totally like at least a little bit quenches like my thirst for creativity. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I graduated from that program that Bella just graduated from yesterday. And I loved it. And the kids are talented, as you can see. I feel like they get better and better every year. But if you guys have any questions about the program, let me know and I'll try and answer them in the comments. Anyways, let me show you guys where I am in the skirt. That's what you're here for. I'll just pop it on over the leggings for a second. This morning I was working on the ruffle. Unfortunately, I used the 5 yards that I had to cut one cut of a ruffle at the bottom. And it wasn't long enough. As you can see, it didn't quite make it all the way around, but like, it's looking so good. So I just need to attach more fabric to ruffle it. So that's what I'm gonna work on. That's what I was working on this morning. After I do that, the shell will be finished. But then we're gonna have to work on the lining. Okay, so I finished the shell and then it was time to do the lining, and I decided to use a cotton broadcloth instead of that white Kona cotton that I already had, because again, don't mean to keep saying this, but that white Kona cotton is way heavier than the blue pinstripe, so this broadcloth is a lot more lightweight. It matches the drape, the hand of the outer fabric, and they'll just kind of mesh a lot better together. I just finished off the lining hem with a rolled hem, and then I hand stitched the slit of the lining and the shell together, and then it was done. So let me show you the skirt. I've hung it up in my closet and I'm really excited about my new closet organization, so I just thought I'd show you really quickly. You guys always see me filming this way, but this is where I have my setup, my camera, and then I also have a closet in here that I'm now using to store all of my midi length skirts because I'm a big midi length skirt wearer. And I hung them up on baby hangers with these little clips. Ta-da! Here is the skirt, 360, and it has the full lining as well in now. Okay, let me put it on. 1 second, don't look at this. And I put on the original shirt from the sketch to complete the vision. Oh, let's see if it twirls. I feel like it's like, I give it an 8 out of 10 for twirlability. Still pretty good though. Oh, and I should put on some shoes. Complete the look. We'll do something a little edgy. These Steve Madden ones. Still cute for the summer though. Oh, I love it. Wait, I want to wear this now for the rest of the day. Should I wear this? I fear I must. I feel so good. I feel like I finally made something just for fun for myself, and I haven't done that in forever. Good news, bad news. Bad news is because this was just for fun, I never planned on making it a pattern. However, upon looking at this skirt and seeing in the mirror that she's gorgeous, love her, I fear I might have to. I don't know. Let me know if there's any interest. If there's not interest, then no pattern, no pattern. But if there is interest, you know, I'll do it for you. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys like this style of video. I thought it was so fun to kind of bring you along on my weekend. So let me know if you enjoyed it and what else you want to see from me in the future. If you did like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up because it's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonollo. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!